Hi children, welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. In our last class, we have discussed about real life usage of AI, then limitations of weak AI and domains of AI. So which are those important three domains of AI? Yes, data, computer vision and natural language processing. And today we are going to discuss about the importance of AI in daily life, and it is seen through six dimensions. So let us discuss about it. And after discussion, you will get to know that why AI is so much important in our life. The first one is automation. Automation, which means automatic repetitive learning. So, children, it was limited hardware based robotic automation. But now, the robotic process automation is combined with the elements of AI, which leads to intelligent process automation. For example, Google Pixel smartphones, which use AI technology for automating its camera, and it is improving itself. The next is augmentation. The word augmentation means the process of making or becoming greater in size, or simply we can say that increasing. So, children, the development of AI based systems are rare, means that is a slow process. It takes a long time to develop a product, and they are adding AI technology to whatever existing product they have to make a new product or new service. For example, Google Pixel, they are simply using their existing product and used AI technology for augmenting the capability of their product. They did not develop any new product. That is, using AI technology to increasing the capability of their existing products. The next is adaptation, and here it means to adapt according to the environment. Take the example of a frog and how it is adapting to different environment, and it is changing its body temperature according to that. Like that, here AI system has to take decisions by its own. The system is not executing the programs directly. They are adapting to different environment themselves by learning the data fed to them. So that is what happening in AI systems. And this leads to better service and products. The next is analysis. In AI system, everything is based upon the data, and according to the data means whatever data that we are giving to an AI system, it will analyze the data and it will give us the result. For example, fraud detection system that will keep on analyzing the data for finding the hidden frauds. Next one is accuracy, and it is very high in AI systems. And for example, turbine systems which are able to maintaining the temperature to 1000 degrees Celsius. And even if it is increasing or decreasing, the result will not be appropriate. And also the Bing search engine, it is continuously improving its accuracy. The thing is that system must be fed structured and labeled data to function properly. So it will be able to improve its accuracy. The next is acquisition, and here it means there will be a collected massive amount of data, and from that data we have to find solutions. The solutions will be in that data. So from that we have to find the solutions for our problems. So that is what mean by acquiring the solutions. For example, using AI in genomics. A genome, which means organism's complete set of genetic instruction. So here human genome can be analyzed through AI to find genetic variation. And that is about 6 dimensions of AI. So I hope you understood all the topics that I have discussed here. Children, read these topics in your textbook. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.